Hello everybody, welcome to Miss Bobby's Home Cooking. Today I am going to be making Parmesan Garlic Chicken wings. So let's get started. It does look delicious. We will start with 1.5 sticks of butter, and I have my chicken wings that I have washed and I'm going to let them dry a little bit. Have garlic that I'm going to put in, parsley flakes, and some crushed red peppers. So I have about 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese that I'm going to add also. So let's cream the butter real good. We're going to add cilantro. Usually most people like to add parsley, but I like cilantro instead. And we have 1/3 cup of our Parmesan cheese and our crushed peppers. About a teaspoon will be added totally, but right now I'm gonna sprinkle some in, just a bit. Then I have my parsley flakes that I am entering. I'm going to mix this well. I'm going to add a bit more crushed peppers because I'm looking for that particular color, and I'm going to add a bit more of parsley flakes. I have about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Mix well. Very creamy. So now I have my chicken. It's nice and cleaned, washed, and so I'm going to pat dry with a paper towel. Very important to pat the chicken dry because we want our seasonings to stay on the chicken. And also I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of cornstarch. That's just going to help the chicken brown. And we're going to shake in some seasoning salt, and it's probably about a teaspoon or so, but add the seasoning to your own preference. Put in about a teaspoon of garlic, pepper, and I'm putting in a little more crushed red peppers because I like the zesty taste. And then we have our onion powder in. Just put some in, mix it really well. Of course, my hands are my best kitchen tool, so I use my hands a lot when I'm cooking. Okay, so we're going to place our chicken on our baking dish. I probably should have sprayed this with Pam, but I didn't. It has a great smell to it already. So I baked it in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 35-40 minutes. And the trick here is to put the chicken wings in the butter while it's very hot, and mix it well. Sprinkle a little more Parmesan cheese. My crushed red peppers is mostly for color. And here we go. This is a very easy recipe. Tastes delicious. I love making it. Try making this recipe and let me know how you like it. Leave me a comment. Like and subscribe. This looks good and it tastes delicious. Quick and easy. Thank you for watching.